Scott reads the initial volume of the burette to 2 decimal places. A white sheet of paper below the Erlenmeyer flask allows for better visualization of the color changes. Scott demonstrates proper technique by cupping and controlling the stopcock with one hand and swirling the Erlenmeyer flask with the other. The solution arrives at a faint yellow color. This squirt bottle dispenses about 2 to 3 mL of the starch solution. Scott also takes a minute to wash down the sides of the Erlenmeyer flask to ensure that all drops of titrant have contacted the analyte. One final drop turns the solution colorless. The final volume of the burette is recorded to 2 decimal places. The titration is repeated 3 more times, for a total of 4 titrations.